Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming firmware and a healthy battery so you won't interrupt flashing. This prevents bricking. Once powered, install the Typecase Edge driver and companion app so the keyboard and computer communicate. Next, attach the plate and switches, hand-tightening screws to avoid strip damage. While doing this, you should open the app and select the Edge model. That lets you see inputs immediately. Make sure the keyboard is detected before moving to key mapping. Now you build layers in the layout editor. Drag keys, create macros, and assign RGB zones so behavior matches your workflow. While mapping, set actuation points and debounce values for reliable typing. Lower actuation reduces travel but increases accidental presses. Save the profile to onboard memory to ensure portability, then systematically test each key with the app's input tester. If macros involve delays, calibrate timing. Once finished by running full typing and gaming tests to confirm responsiveness and lighting scenes behave as expected. This validates your settings under real use. Once satisfied, flash the final firmware build and keep a recovery USB or DFU method available because firmware updates can fail. If something goes wrong, reset the profile, reflash the firmware, and reapply your saved backup. If a specific key misbehaves after that, reset the switch and test continuity. Contact support only if hardware fault persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.